Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Hey everyone, welcome back to Technic Force. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know on how to get started with Imimic as an agency user. So if you're managing customers or planning to sell access to Imimic, it's important to understand how the membership system works. So in this video, we'll cover how to create customer accounts inside the membership so your clients can access the platform, how to cancel or suspend accounts when a customer no longer needs access, and most importantly, how to start selling Imimic and bringing in new users. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to manage users and start growing your customer base with Imimic. Let's get started. Now let's start by looking how you can create access for your customers. So from the main dashboard, go to your products at the top right here. So you'll see different products available in your membership, including Imimic Elite, Pro, Imimic Reseller, Mighty Memes Pro, Imimic Freezer Pro, and you have the all-in-one Imimic All-Inclusive. So each product has its own license key, which is used to activate access. Now, as a reseller, you'll use these licenses to create accounts for your customers. Next is adding a customer. So click on Imimic Reseller right here. Scroll down, go to the section called Create Access for your customers. So here you'll see a button labeled Add Subuser. So click Add Subuser to create a new customer account. You'll then enter the details for your customers, such as their name, their email address, product they purchased, and subscription type like monthly, yearly, or one time. So once the user is created, the system will generate a code or password that the customer will use to activate their access. You can then share this information with your customer along with the provided access link. Then this allows them to log in and start using the platform. Now, canceling or suspending accounts. So there may be also times when you need to remove access. For example, if a customer cancels their subscription, if their access period ends, or if the account should no longer be active. To do this, simply click the cancel button next to the account. And once canceled, the user will no longer have access to the platform. So this makes it easy to manage your customer accounts directly from the membership dashboard. Now that you understand how to create and manage customer access, the next step is learning how to actually sell Imimic and bring in new users. So in the next section, we'll go over several simple ways you can start promoting Imimic and growing your customer base. So strategy 1, use the Imimic seller spec. One of the easiest ways to start selling Imimic is by using the Imimic seller spec. So this pack provides a complete set of ready-made marketing materials that help you promote the platform without needing you to create everything yourself. So inside the seller's pack, you'll find resources such as a ready-made sales page, a sales video, a promotional video, a demo video, email swipes so you can send to your email list, ready-to-use Facebook ads, Google ads, graphics and e-covers, a blog article, social media posts. So all of these materials are designed to help you promote the platform quickly and professionally. So the ready-made sales page is especially useful. So instead of building a web page from scratch, you can simply use the provided page and plug in your own buy button or sign up link. Once it's done, you can start sharing the page with potential customers and begin selling immediately. So this makes it possible to start promoting Imimic even if you don't have experience with marketing or website design. Second strategy is to sell your email list. So if you already have an email list, this can be one of the fastest ways to promote Imimic. So you can send an email introducing the platform and explaining how it helps businesses create content more efficiently. You can also use the email templates provided in the seller's pack to make this process even easier. So since your subscribers already know and trust you, they're more likely to explore the tool when you recommend it. So another simple strategy is to recommend Imimic to people you already know. This could include your friends, colleagues, business contacts, or clients who manage social media. So sometimes a simple recommendation is all it takes for someone to discover a helpful new tool. Strategy 4 is share in online communities. So online communities can also be a great place to introduce useful tools. Platforms like Reddit and Facebook groups often have discussions about marketing, content creation, and social media tools. So instead of posting promotional links directly, focus on contributing helpful advice and sharing useful information. When appropriate, you can mention Imimic as a tool that helps solve the problem being discussed. So this approach builds trust and increases the chances that people will check out the platform. So strategy 5 is to create SEO articles. Another powerful way to promote iMimic is by creating SEO focused articles. So you can write blog posts about topics such as AI tools for social media, content creation tools for marketers, and ways to create social media posts faster. Now, within those articles, you can recommend iMimic as one of the tools people can use. When people search these topics on Google, they may discover your article and learn about the platform. Now, over time, SEO content can bring consistent traffic and new users. So, iMimic gives you the ability not only to use powerful tools, but also to build a small business by reselling access to the platform. So, by creating customer accounts, managing memberships, and using the marketing strategies we discussed, you can start growing your customer base. Begin by exploring the system, testing the features, and using the seller's pack to start promoting the platform. With the right approach, IMMA can become both a useful tool and a new opportunity to expand your marketing services. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.